Today we are standing on Klickitat Way Southwest that crosses right over the East Waterway behind me. And the East Waterway is a sediment cleanup site that the port is involved with. The sediments have been contaminated over years of industrial use. And what brings us here today is once that cleanup is complete, we want to know how the long-term sediment concentrations will change over time. And so we're going to install these sediment traps. This sediment trap will be installed in a port outfall to collect particulates that come through the pipes and out the outfall into the East Waterway. It will give us essentially 9 months of a rainy season for water to flow over these traps and for the particulates to settle into these traps over time. And then once we come back and retrieve these, we will open them up, collect the sediments, and submit them for analysis. The sediment in the East Waterway is important because there's what we call benthic animals that live within the sediment. We want to know how that's impacting the long-term sediment concentrations that these animals live in. We'll be able to also take this data, understand, are there more things the port can and should be doing to reduce the concentrations of contaminants in the sediment that are leaving our property, thereby making a cleaner East Waterway.